I don't know what I'm going to do tonight. Okay, so the stream has started. Let me share my variable. I forgot to add hash. Can we do that up the starting? Is possible. I forgot to change. Hello, Jeet bhai. So we are back on live stream days. So many days, months. Today we are going to. I hope. By the way, how are you doing? Can you hear me? You are doing today? Okay, so today what I have planned is I think there is some audio lag, right? Voice. I'll in. I am live after so many days that I'm trying to figure out how to OBS and all. Been months last live stream. Yeah, I think bro. I need to. So today we have this package. Trying to figure out what. Hello. Trying to. Hello. What about now? Audio is disappearing. 2 3 1. Audio is disappearing. 8. I'm trying to increase this. What else we can do? I can use another mic. Give me a second. Now it's good. Audio input capture. Keep the noise on. Audio input capture. Wait. Give me a second. Wait. I have this headphone. I can use this. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
What
What
about
about now?
now?
Let me check when was
Was
the
the
last
last
time I did a live stream. No. This sound
sound?
nah, this
This
sounds
sounds
horrible.
horrible. Hello. I did live stream 3 months ago. Really sorry, guys, for the inconvenience. I should have figured this out before streaming, but the reason is I was not going to live stream today. But I thought, let's, my friends, I thought let's do this. Like, I was taking so much time to figure out something, so I was like, okay, let's do this tonight. Hello. Hello, Atharva, how are you doing? Samarth is there, and tonight we are going to build a robotic arm. I have this package right here. This is a 3D printed robotic arm. No, that's not mine. Atharva, robotic arm, yes. I'm here. Oh, we are fighting over chair. Samarth, the audio quality and how to set. Live after more than 3 months. We have a robotic arm. Thought it's going to be in a blue color, but orange. Or I bought 900. It's on Amazon. Yes. Okay, so these guys are good at Start the this corner of this. Yeah, that's what like. Tell me about audio quality. Okay, so this is the robotic arm, the one. I want to post this on my story that like I'm doing a live stream all, but I'm little bit nervous. So many months. I have a very big audience on Instagram. Recently, I blew up on Instagram. I need to fix my audio first, like before presenting this live stream. How to assess it? The robotic arm. Okay, back to always on top. Wait, voice disappear, background sound. Okay, let's try again. Advanced audio properties. Hello, 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 hello. Check now. Wait. I have increased. Summer. Hello. Okay. Hello. I think it's good. 1 2 3 1 2 3. I think we are good to go. Hello. Hello. Samarth audio clear. Okay. Okay. So this is the robotic arm I was talking about, and I think it's very easy to assemble. I thought it's going to be something like more. Should I post about this live stream on Instagram? Let me search some tutorials for this robotic arm. Hello. Okay. 3D printed robotic arm. हे एक साथ याला खुर्ची दी की आम्ही सपोज robotic arm हा. Okay, I got one robotic arm on Instagram. More views, yes. By the way, Ranjit, I will tell you some tricks and tips regarding Instagram. Check this out. Okay, let's figure out how to then हे यानंतर it's easy. What else we have here in this box? We have this gripper, and I think this is going to be the toughest part. This gripper, like, this is going to be the toughest part to build. I hope you guys can see this. Okay, you gonna build it tonight? Not sure, bro. I will try to build it tonight. This is a freelance project. It's not mine, so I have to finish this whole project in a week. I am already so late, so I thought, why not build it live? uh, Give me a second. I will do like click a photo for story. Okay. So guys, if you have any idea like how to build this robotic arm, any uh tutorial or something like that, you can share me on Instagram. Yeah, sexta. खुर्ची दी किती याला बसू दे. I think I have done my first mistake, that emptying this whole bag. काय काय घालाली होय. काय माहित नाही. अरे अरे लाईव्ह स्ट्रीम चालू आहे रे. अरे लाईव्ह स्ट्रीम चालू आहे रे. ये my roommates are the reason I'm not getting big. Fix the screen. Okay, give me a second. uh is it okay? आहे की बरोबर? Give me a second and I will create a link for Instagram story. कर हाँ? नाही कर उघड बंद कर, कारण ही दंगा करणार आता रात्रभर. hmm hmm Wait, let me adjust my camera. Okay, so we are covering how much space? Not even this. याचा ग्रिपर कसा हे करायचा तेवढं जरा बघून. Hmm, are we covering how much? I think we are good to go now. Really sorry, really sorry. So we are covering from this side to this side, and from here. Bro, something is wrong here.
हॅलो मला अजून थोड्या वेळ लागेल. काय झालं? चौकात होय. हां चालते. सर्व आहेत काय सुयश? सर्व आहेत
हा सर्व मोटर
ते
आहे.
जरा मी तोपर्यंत हे असेंबल करतो.
हे
तेच की बाकी
ते बघ जरा ग्रिपर. So we have these servo motors.
बाजूला ठेवले
जरा काढून बघूया थांब काय काय आहे. त्यात हे पण आहे.
मुळा काढून
हे घे तुझं ESP32 C3. There is no manual or something like that. Arrow. We need three of MG996. I think these are MG995 and two of these small motors, MG90. I could use SG90, but I heard that MG90 has metal gears and better quality. Can't lose any of these nuts and bolts.
सर्व हे दे मला
काय?
वाली मोटर.
ब्लू नाही आहे, MG90. Okay, I have posted my Instagram story. I think we are good to go. I have wasted a lot of time. Sorry guys. स्क्रूज
एवढेच आहेत सगळे
हा एवढेच आहेत.
आणि ह्याला कनेक्ट करायला काय नाही.
तेच आहेत आय थिंक.
नाही ते कसं बसत कसं आहे या स्पॉटमध्ये ते आहे.
ह्याच्या मागं काहीतरी
ते नाही ते खाली आहे.
नाही छोटे स्क्रू नाही आहेत आपल्याकडं. First we will start with MG995 or 6 I think. एवढे स्क्रू होते त्यात. What happened to this footage? Is it working? Yes, it's working. Something went wrong for a second. I wanted to do a time lapse of this assembly process. Ranjit bhai, can you please do a favor for me? आपको बस मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे जाना है, मेरी स्टोरी ओपन करके वो जो लिंक है जो स्टोरी पे मैंने लगाई है उसको बस एक बार ओपन करिए और प्लीज़ चेक इट if it's working or not. It should direct you to YouTube. I'm trying to find my screwdrivers. I had 4 screwdrivers and I can't find one. स्क्रूड्रायव्हर एक पण सापडेना. 6 स्क्रूड्रायव्हर बघितलास? स्क्रूड्रायव्हर बघितलंस? रेड, ब्लू, ऑरेंज. क्या हो रहा है भाई? हो रहा है मतलब लिंक काम कर रही है.
आपल्याला तिथं भेटायला लागणार आहे.
कुठं? त्या मोटरला?
होय सगळ्याला.
सगळ्या मोटरला?
तिथे जिथे जिथे नाही कनेक्शनला बोललेलं आहेत बघ
हां
ते हे बसत नाही या कारण की त्याला तो हेच काय दिला नाही.
आपण मोटरसोबत एक छोटे स्क्रू मिळतात तेच यूज केलं तर वर्किंग. ओके भाई, थँक्यू सो मच. अरे स्क्रूड्रायव्हर काय झाले? Audio is low. Uh, Wait, I'll fix that. Yes. I have another robotic arm, but we will work on that in another stream. सापडले फायनली.
मला एक पाहिजे. झालं काय सेक्स सगळं?
तू बस समय त्याच्यावर तोपर्यंत. समथिंग न्यू. यस.
बसा समोर झाला.
ये असं माझ्याकडे.
चालू आहे काय बघा लॅपटॉपला.
हाँ. Okay, chat. If you don't know what we are doing today, so we are building a assembling, not really building, assembling a robotic arm, 3D printed robotic arm, which I bought from Amazon for 900 rupees. Okay, wait. Someone said audio is low. Let me try fixing that. Hello. Okay. What about now? आवाज आ रही है मेरी. समर्थ रोब हाँ हाय हाय. Damn, we have 10 viewers. I'm live after so many months and still 10 viewers is big thing. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm trying to figure out. I think here we have to assemble this servo motor MG995. Right tool for right job. Yes, thanks. So we have to uh, okay. After building this, I will write a feedback on the official like customer feedback on Amazon. I think their store name is something like Tirupati or something. So I would like to suggest some things like provide some more screw, provide some user manual. I hope they will listen me. This is a 5 DOA robotic arm with a gripper, and all these components are so fresh that it feels so good working with it. Bro. This is an open source. They just print it and sell it. They didn't make it. Yeah, I have seen this on like many sellers. But they should provide some more screwdrivers and a user manual. Like it's not that hard, but still, if someone is beginner, there should be something to direct them. Wrong direction. Oh, yes, yes, you are right. This wire should be on this side, right? Thank you so much for pointing out. I figured that out, but while talking, I forgot about that. It needs to be at center. Okay, so this shaft needs to be here. Not the servo needs to be in center. Okay, got it. Wait. Goes to the circle. Okay, got it. Karan bhai, you are doing great. I would like to get your one of the robots, Mark. Just I'm not getting that much time due to college and all. Also, I was following your uh, tutorial series, like a beginner robotics tutorial series, where I think you explained ROS or something like that, like long ago, before we knew each other. But again, consistency is the key of success. I lost long ago.
एक छोटे वाले स्क्रू दे
कोणत्यातला
शॉर्ट डिस्टन्स हां
हे not. Okay, so my friend is right here behind me and he's assembling the gripper, and we both don't know what we are doing. It's my first time working with like 3D printed robotic arm. I need to get one 3D printer. My friends and my roommates know 3D printing very well as they are from mechanical department. They work in SolidWorks and ANSYS. This whole design is not made for Indian servos. Okay, but I have seen a lot of projects with this same uh, design, like with same prints. It's fitting, then screw it. I think it's fitting as one screw is here, one is here, and check the direction again, please.
अजून एक छोटे स्क्रू दे
Okay, this is the first. Then
नट दे
I think I did something wrong again. काय भाई नट
असले ते नट बोल्ट.
the wall arm. Okay,
3D
thanks for
प्रिंट
the suggestion.
ते 3D प्रिंटेड नाही बघ.
3D print
ग्रिपर हे
gripper.
झालं
हाँ ते
ते
gripper
वालं.
acrylic. What to use here? It's fine, you just need to put the rubber first on the bottom. uh yes, I have seen that. Here, right? Here and here. I'm curious about this, like I don't know if this is the right assembly. Okay, someone please tell me about this. Screw समर्थ नाही आहे ना अजून.
थोडे पार्ट्स कमी आहेत सर. मला
There are some parts missing here in this delivery.
मला वाटाले.
त्यात पण
होय नाही ह्याच्यात बरोबर आहे शक्यतो.
यात काय?
खरं टोटल ह्याच्यात कमी आहे वाटाले मला.
There are some screws are missing and many more things. I'm slowly realizing that. We can use this. Yeah, I'm using this screw from the servo packet. And the rubber orange part. Okay. Okay, this is right. उल्टा स्क्रूज लगाओ. ओके. हाँ वो नीचे सर्वो मोटर्स को टच हो जाएगा. गॉट इट. हाँ समझ गया समझ गया. आई थिंक आई नीड टू ले रडर स्क्रूज. रडर स्क्रूज मतलब कौन से भाई? What else we have here?
छोटे स्क्रू दे.
Do you live in a hostel? Yes, you can say that. Not really hostel. I live with my friends in a flat. PG. समय हा कोणता स्क्रू आहे? मोटरच्या ह्याच्यात होता.
कशाला का?
मोटरच्या पॅकेजमध्ये. I can't super glue this right now before testing because this is not mine. This is a freelance project, and the fun part is I'm building this whole thing for the first time, and I'm going to sell this in a week.
screw दे
Hmm?
screw ये
Screw.
आणि nut
Wait. Okay. Then you are screwed. Super glue. Not really screwed. The guys I'm selling, they have no idea. Like they know nothing about anything. I'm missing a lot of screws here. We are running out of screws without even building anything. Okay, so this whole project is robotic arm, rower with robotic arm, with IoT control, gesture control, and uh, this this remote control. So I'm going to sell them all these three features, like a rower which can be controlled with robotic hand gloves, remote control, and IoT like web page. This is I think mini project or final year project. I'm not sure. And if this doesn't work, or if I can't complete this in a week, then I'm really screwed. I think I need to super glue this, like no other option, because I have no screws fitting in these small holes. Can we do something forcefully? Don't take me wrong. Like, what if I hit these screws and then insert into this shaft?
screw दे छोटा वाला
अरे संपले रे. स्क्रू संपले समर्थ.
अजून एक screw पाहिजे मला
स्क्रू नाही. We ran out of screws already.
अजून दे
We have only one, I guess. Use star rudder instead of this, more stable. Wait. Just there are no rudder screws here actually. With these servos. Like the small ones. काय बनवतोय? काय नाही, रोबोटिक आर्म एक आहे, असेंबल करतोय तो. Okay, it fits. 3D print could take a less part. Actually, I bought this from Amazon, not 3D printed by me. You can get this for like 700 to 900. Learn a day. Right now, I'm not learning much. I'm learning PCB designing. And that's it. Right now, all I'm doing is trying to attend college, trying to pass my tests, and nothing else. You, I, if you check my Instagram, last video I posted before the most recent video, it was in second week of March, I guess. So I'm not even making content. What to go? Okay, thank you, Neeraj bhai. Good night. I'll let you know if I need any help or anything like that. I will give you for free. Thank you so much. I will let you know. Actually, this isn't mine. This is a freelance project. So they sent me this, and I have to finish this. Baba, phone uchal. Phone केलायस तू recently? Okay, Virendra Dada. So I tried to find a Raspberry Pi. I asked this guy too. This is my friend, and we don't have any Raspberry Pi available.
एक आहे खरं कुठलाही माहित नव्हता 2 GB आहे काय
कुणाकडे आहे?
आयुषकडे आहे तुला
We
द्यायची
have one Raspberry Pi, but we are not sure about the specifications. 2 GB.
फिक्स नाही माहित नाही
We are not sure about the specifications.
पण
We have
बघूया
one
विचार
Raspberry
तुला
Pi.
द्यायचं
Hmm?
म्हणजे 2 GB पाहिजे काय तू फोन कर
2 GB. Can you please tell me your requirements? Like requirements. Who's calling? ए परीक्षितला कॉल कर जरा. Okay, let's try this. I think I can't just Amazonची लिंक ते समजेल काय बनवतोय. To understand about all the electronics because academics or interest. It's all about interest. Uh, 2 GB RAM, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, up to 1.5 GHz processor. These are the requirements. Okay, so uh, Samarth has finished this gripper. Check it out. This guy has finished this whole thing, but I think something is wrong here. Okay, now the issue is Samarth. The problem we are facing here is we have to use this radle. Okay. हे बघ ऐ
हम्म,
ह्याच्यामध्ये हे जोडायला लागते.
कशामध्ये?
हे सर्व इथं जोडलास की नाही तू, सर्व जोडल्यावर कळालं काय
काय जोडा लागते?
असं हे रडल जोडायला लागणार इथं
वरती लागणार.
वरती किंवा खाली. हे बघ. What are you building? A robotic arm 3D printed. हां आपण डायरेक्ट जोडू शकतोय. Let's try this. Check this out. Let's see if we can do this. We are just assembling this arm. It's a ready-made robotic arm. Where is your college? I am from Kolhapur. D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Kolhapur. Wait.
Raspberry Pi, 4 GB RAM, 5.5K.
Virendra Dada, if you are watching this, we have Raspberry Pi,
5 KB
4 GB.
RAM
Wait.
with cooling case.
With cooling case.
5,000.
How was your hackathon? Hackathons are pretty chill. Like, we just have fun from your reels. Okay, so that one hackathon which I posted today, that was Google Developers Hackathon. Is this cam better? In which domain? Okay, so I am learning electronics in college, but I have different interests. Like you can say mechatronics, because one day you will see me doing something electronics related, and the next day you will see me doing robotics related. And even I'm not sure what. Okay, check this out. What about this hackathon? This camera. My background is pretty messed up. Ignore that. What was the task? Okay, so the task was to. There was no need to crop. Okay. Actually, there was not any task. We had our problem statement. We had our project and idea ready. Okay.
काय झालं त्याचं?
Price specification. समय जरा हे पाठव मला.
काय?
Specifications. Copy paste.
Raspberry Pi, 4
ह्याला
GB.
ह्याला कॉल कर परीक्षितला. Raspberry Pi 4 GB,
RAM,
4 GB
Model
RAM, Model 4 with inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Sanjay Godaut, no, I am from DY Patil.
हे काय झालं आमचा? केलास? लावलास?
No, actually, we can assemble this servo motor here, but
Does it work?
no, because the reason is this is the reason. Like we have to. I think we need to use hot glue at the end of day. Wait, let me find some attachments.
Give me that servo motor.
Okay, take this also. Okay, so talking about hackathon, it was a Google Developers Hackathon, GDG, Google Developers Group, and our solution was under water conservation and management, and our project was a mixture of hardware and software. Beginner for this hobby. What was desk cam? My desk cam stopped. Okay, okay, it's working. Okay, if you talk about like hobby, only hobby, I can't tell. Can you call now? Message करा दादा. Okay, I can't guide anyone because I'm not like a professional or an expert, but I can share my experiences. So I started it as a hobby, like out of curiosity. I was building projects, then I started learning more from YouTube, like little bit of electronics and all, and slowly I got into all these. अरे परीक्षितला कॉल कर की. Give me a second. Hello. नाही मी येणार नाही, समर्थला कॉल कर. बसला इथं. Okay, so I started it as a hobby, then I started learning from YouTube. I learned more. I'm still learning. I'm right now, as you can see, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm working on something. So I spend a lot of time doing this. If you are beginner, start with basics of electronics. We can't use this. I think we need to glue this. Okay, let's get back to the base. We'll slowly figure out how to make this. Wish you great success. Thank you so much, Abhi. Message. समय मला जरा स्पेसिफिकेशन्स लिहून पाठव की. So once you get into like development boards like Arduino, ESP32, there are a lot of development boards. Once you get into all of that, then you will understand how things and logic work. uh, okay, first I would like to clarify that robotics, sorry, not robotics, Arduino and all, it's just beginner friendly, it's not like industry level. So it's good to get started with, but if you want to get into this industry, you have to upgrade yourself, like hello, all the languages you learned drive about electronics. Yes. Okay, so I've been doing this for around more than 10 to 12 years easily. I always participated in competitions and all, like exhibitions and all, every time I get chance. I had no guidance, but it's a hobby, so I spend a lot of time doing this. And over the time, you learn logic building, you learn how to figure out things without without anyone's guidance. Like if I wasn't streaming this, I would have figured it out, like how to build this robotic arm from internet or somewhere else. It's not that hard, but I'm just using this as an example. Like, if you need anything help with mechatronics, connect. You can drop your Instagram IDs and contact each other, and I will let you know if I need any help. Modeless का क्या है? Okay, this rope fits here properly. And talking about languages, I know little bit of C, little bit of Python. Again, I'm not an expert, I'm just sharing my experiences. This whole content thing from my side is me sharing experience of like what I'm building, what I'm doing. That's it. I'm not trying to like educate. I'm learning mechatronics same. We're almost there. This is the final round of this screw, but I don't know what's wrong with this. It's not fitting. What are you cook now? We are working on a robotic arm, 3D printed robotic arm. We are just assembling this. It's a ready-made 3D printed robotic arm, 5D wave. I think I messed up this screw, but yeah, it's working. Hmm. Okay, that's it. Patolas? Hmm. Okay, now let's get to another servo, which is going to be here. There should be some tutorial or something like this for this exact uh, 3D print, exact design. I think I'm going to be the first one to show this on internet, like about this exact robotic arm. I want to do some fun live streams. Like this one is like boring live stream from my POV. Fun live stream means I have some DIY bots and robots. And what is your final goal with this component? To build a robotic arm 3D printed and assemble all motors and all. That's it. They are adult with the servo for this purpose. For what purpose, bro? Rubber or Ruddle? Virendra Dada, I'm sending you the specifications. Give me a minute. Sorry, I sent you the wrong one. Okay. Cylindrical rubber. You know what? We don't have that in this package. That's why I said already that there are a lot of things missing. The motor, no? Okay. And here is another one. Yeah, incomplete package, yes. I saw the reviews and reviews were pretty good, so I was like, okay, let's try, let's buy this one. As I was in a hurry. जाना असलं जा की जाना असलं जा रे can you send price Samarth price of Raspberry Pi board
Around 5 to 6K and
around
negotiable.
5 to 6k and negotiable. How you get freelance project for like this? Contacts, bro. Each semester I sell around like I work on more than 20 to 30 projects. So yeah, freelance projects are the main income source. इतना है तो प्रोफेशनल रोबोटिक काम डेंजर आहे की नाही असेंबली आपण सनबोर्ड तिथं चांगलं आहे आपलं
आणि आपल्याला स्वतः 3D प्रिंट करायला पाहिजे मग
होय
Yes, better option आहे.
एक 3D डिझाईन तयार करूया ओके दिस वन वॉज इझी now here is the real issue I think and how you set the prices. Okay, first I used to charge very low, but then I got to know about the industrial prices. Do you have any project related to or do you have any ideas of defense sector? Not really, but I have a very close friend of mine who's into defense, like who likes defense and all. Samarth, again, there is an issue here. As you can see, I have assembled this servo motor right here, and here's this radle. Hi Suyash, hello, long time break. Yes, I'm still busy with college and all, but today I thought, okay, let's do this. Let's get back to streaming. And I need your help, Tanishk Bhaiya, as I have no idea what I'm doing with these 3D prints. I'm trying to build a robotic arm. It's a freelance project. Samarth, ever.
हो माहित आहे
There is no clearance right here to use screws and
same problem with this one bro
sensor equipments.
same problem with this one
Okay, so I'm going to write a detailed like feedback uh,
same problem with this
to
one
seller of this arm because this package is incomplete as there are very few screws provided. Then there is no clearance here to use screws. I have to hot glue all these parts together like okay, so I'm supposed to use screws, right? I am supposed to put screw right here and then here, but there is no clearance, nothing. Can use small drill and fix 3D prints. Yes, no, I can't do that. Like this radle should be free to move. There should be some clearance here. There should be some clearance. Like it should be like this, I think, or some more clearance. But what happening here is, if I insert it properly,
रिटर्न करतोस काय बघ
hmm?
रिटर्न करतोस काय बघ
रिटर्न नाही करू शकत
का
टाइम नाही आहे तेवढा And if I assemble it like this, or say like this, and if I put screws right here, correct me if I'm wrong. Love from IIT Kasba Bawda. Much love to you. I don't know who you are, but I think you are from my college.
username काय
Hmm?
username काय त्याचं
Username is only dot j 7 times. We can fix this, but still, bro. Wait, let's watch some videos related this robotic arm. I think this design is available as Neeraj Bhaiya said. Okay, this one is working right, but not having. Yeah, there is no space for cruise. There should be some clearance to move freely. As you can see, there are two screws, and they went through the 3D print. Then they are into the shaft, I guess. Rudder. They are into the rudder. Same goes here. Okay. Okay, let's try assembling another servo motor and see if uh, are you interested to be part of the hackathon with my team? uh okay, the problem is everyone is asking me the same question. Not everyone, but a lot of people. And this is my friend. We are teammates. We have another two guys, and we go everywhere and we win most of the time. So if we are not going anywhere together, then I can join you. You heard it. I can join you, but depends. If my friends are joining there, the arm is not that important. Are you implementing kinematics? No, no kinematics at all. The logic is simple. Demand is greater than supply. Actually, yes. And when I uh, politely say no to people, like I can't join your team because I'm already going to, with my friends, to this hackathon. People act like I owe them something. They say I got attitude and all. Okay, so talking about kinematics, no, I'm not gonna use kinematics and all. It's not that like crazy project. Pin connector sports high quality. Okay, I will tell him to. Okay, so the logic will be industrial. Have you seen? Not really industrial, but there are some industrial machines. If I move this joystick forward, the robotic arm will be go like this. Vroom. It will keep going like this, like in a forward direction, till I leave this joystick, and it will stop. It will stop at the position where I left this joystick. If I move this joystick backward, it will go back from the position like vroom. And when I leave this joystick, it will stop right here. If I do like this, it will go like this. Vroom. So this is the logic. I'm not even going to map this joystick into these servo motors. There is going to be just increment in angle, like slow movements. ESP now, actually it is going to be controlled by multiple things: IoT, ESP now, and gesture control. So yeah, ESP now, we along with MQTT. Yeah, ESP now and MQTT, these are the two things I'm going to use in this project. And now the problem is this robotic arm. It's my first time using such 3D prints, and this package is incomplete and these prints are faulty, and I don't know if I should return this. I can return this, but I have to finish this project in a week. So I'm not sure if they can deliver me the correct one in a week. So I think I'll have to fix this by myself. Like I'll have to figure out how to use this. Complex, and I DM'd you on Insta, but you didn't reply till yet. IoT robot arm, yeah. It's a robotic arm. It's a rover with robotic arm and with three different controls: gesture control, remote control, and IoT control. And okay, only J. Sorry, I'll check your DM. As nowadays I'm getting some DMs daily. I get messages, and I don't get enough time to check all that. I'll definitely check. Can you please message? No, there is no assembly guide, nothing. There is no user manual or anything like that, not even diagram. Also, there is no tutorial. I think I'm the first one to do this, like on live, like on camera. Or I think I need to search more. IIT Kasba Bawada. Yeah, I got the swag of an IITian, not even IITian, someone from Harvard. While being from a tier 3 college. I think I'm yapping too much. Okay, this is the gripper right here. Check this out. This is the gripper, right? And कसं होतं समर्थे? कसं होतं हे? हां. This is the gripper. This is servo motor, and this servo is supposed to be here, if I'm not wrong. And there must be something here connected to the servo shaft, like a rudder or something like this. Okay, like this. And then this gear will be connected to this, and this thing will move this part, and it will move freely, and this whole gripper will work. Now see the issue. There is no space. There is no space to add a screw. Check it out. No clearance, nothing. Like this. If I use a screw or nut or anything, screw, nut, bolt, or anything like that, this won't move because there is no space between this. Then these gears won't be aligned. समर्थ हे असं आहे काय?
काय?
अपसाइड डाऊन. अपसाइड डाऊन आहे. हे बघ, हे जे आहे
हां.
हे खाली, हे खाली, हे वर. काय वाटतं तुला?
नाही, हे खालीच आहे.
Our capstone project is there. Will you help us? I'll try to help you, bro. Message me. We will talk about that. Got it. Okay, so Samarth is there trying to figure out about the gripper, and we are referring their images from the Amazon seller page. Which 3D print open source? Actually, it's open source design, and it's working. Like many people use it, but the issue is what we received from the seller. It's bit faulty, I guess. Maybe they have tweaked some things in the design. This is, I think, we made a mistake. Like, I should have print this by myself. Like, I have friends with 3D printers. I could ask them for help. If nothing works, I'll have to ask my 3D print guy friend, and same goes here. Same goes here. Like, this is the base part. So I'm supposed to use screws, and they haven't provided any screws or anything like that. I will use star. What is the degree of freedom? It's 5 DOF with gripper. Okay, so I'll have to use glue here. Then this one right here. The problem is space to move the servos. Now the option left is, where is Varad Nakate? Varad Nakate is in another room, laughing hard, trying to disturb me, I guess. Watching some comedy shows. Okay, the last option is glue. Hot glue. Not really hot glue, I need to use super glue. And then we have this part, I guess. समय येत आहे ना
काय
हा पार्ट.
होय
ओके, हे असेंबल करूया एकदा आणि सुपर ग्लू यूज करूया. हाउ अबाउट युजिंग आर्ट अटॅक ग्लू? By the way, looking at the current view count, I'm happy because it's been more than 3 months since I did my last live stream, and I had 10 concurrent views. Now I have 5. Before that, I continue had 7 8 viewers. This project is bit boring. I'm frustrated because of this, like the reason. Parts from 3D printing. I bought this from Amazon, not actually printed at by myself. This is an open source 3D design. Whoa. Hmm. Okay, assembled this one. Are you participating in Technotsav? Bro, I'm the organizer of RoboSoccer event, and if you guys know about RoboSoccer, make sure you participate. Are screws required or is it the servo shafts? servo shafts are tight, but still. Okay, this yes, in MG 995 and 996, servo shafts are strong enough, but still there going to be some weight. Like check this out. On this shaft, there going to be weight of two or three servo motors and plus sprints. So I think like we can use screw here, but we can't use screw uh, in these holes. Okay, talking about Technotsav. Technotsav is a tech event in our college, and me and my friends, I am the main coordinator, and my friends Samar, Chintamani, we all are organizing Robo Soccer event, and the prize money is 5,000, 3,000, and 2,000. And my another roommate Atharva, he is the main coordinator of Robo Race. So yeah, we are organizing Robo Race and Robo Soccer, and prize money and all is same. Uh, you can message me on Instagram and I will send it all the details, like from venue to all. And you can ask me if you need any help. Entry fees 200 rupees. Okay, this is strong enough to move, but there going to be a lot of weight. And also check it out. There is no screw. There is no space. Niraj Bhai said, New India era, Niraj Bhai, he said that these prints are not designed for Indian servos. So there should be someone, but I have seen people using this with normal servos. Okay, this is not the normal one. How much you charge for? How much you cost for one freelance project? Depends on project. Like if it's something simple, I'm not sure how much I charge per project. Depends on the project and what's my role in that project. Like you are going to buy the components or I'm going to do all the things from zero. Sometimes people come to me with components and they like assemble these code, and yeah, that's it, assemble and do the coding part. Where we can get servos suitable for this project, let's find out. Okay, check it out, check the reviews. This guy has used same MG995 or 996 servo motors, same motors as I am using right now. Let's watch some videos. He is also using 995 or 996, I guess. Okay, I don't want copyright here. This is SG90, so I'm pretty sure he is using 995 or 996. I'm right. This is Servo 995. Reviews are good. Urus, no threading is provided for servo motor screws. Now what should I do with this if I can't screw a servo with it? Urus experienced. Okay, understandable. Robot we got was good quality. Yo, everyone. This guy has assembled this with screws and all. हे बसा मैं screw
स्क्रू लगा है.
हे बघ screw ah hmm कसं करा जरा
स्क्रू प्रोवाइड केला काय करा.
this 5 assembly guide study lib okay
स्क्रू प्रोवाइड केले नाहीत ना.
screws are not provided by them. Max we can do is this. हे ट्राय करून बघूया आपण एकदा सर्च कर जरा हे
नाही ना.
नाही 5 robotic arm assembly guide study lib सर्च कर robotic arm assembly guide study library study lib lib
स्टडी
lib
LIB.
hmm I tried fitting the screw here but okay wait sorry I forgot to switch the camera
सर्क्युलर लावलास.
हां सर्क्युलर हां म्हणजे हे लावले हा लावू शकते ओके
आणि हे
हम्म 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 राऊंड इथे राऊंड यूज करायचं आहे काय
हां एक्सटर्नल अटॅचमेंट दिलं ते राऊंड.
हेच ना हे
होय. ते राऊंड किती दिलेत.
ते सर्व मोटर सोबत येते
माहीत की.
कुठं जोडायचं इथं इथं
हां
बाहेरून
होय.
इकडनं स्क्रू की इकडनं
इथनं स्क्रू.
दुसरी इकडनं ओके असं
हां
पण छोटं होते रे I think we found the way. आता हे जर केलं बसते. अरे काढायचे कसे?
का काढायचा तुला काय काय
नाही, स्क्रू लावूया आणि परत जोडूया रे. Who's the Batman fan? I'm not sure. I'm not a big fan of Batman. It was given by me by my friend. There is a, check this out. There is a motorcycle with lights. Okay, so we are assembling as per the instructable. Let's see if it works. छोटा स्क्रू है. हा यूज केला तर जाणार नाही त्यांना.
कसलं सेम नाही
हम्म?
सेम नाही का कसला
आहे की. लेट्स सी. Still I need to use super glue here. Once the design is ready and all, if it's working and all, I'm going to use a lot of super glue. Okay, I think this one will work. Okay, finally the first one. Now I see little bit space here. Thank you to Tanishk Manuja bhaiya. But still, screws are very short. That's why I'm saying I need to use super glue. Okay, now I think I can build this whole thing tonight, and the rest of the build in upcoming streams, and we will finish this by the end of this week, and I will deliver it to my client, and I will get paid. And with that money, I think I'm going to buy a webcam and some more feature and some more things. Shout out to all the viewers who are up with me at 12 or 15, almost 15. Okay, I think that's all I can do. Hmm. Check this out. Ah, check. Yes, Sam. Yes, yes, yes. One is not. Yes, I'm going to check right now. I'm just checking if we can assemble this with the instructable you told to check. समर्थ आपण जे स्क्रू यूज केले ना आता ते ह्याचे नाही आहेत ते स्क्रू ह्या सेटमध्ये नाही आहेत ते आहेत छोट्या सर्वोचं SG90. So the screws we are used here are not from the package. These are screws from SG90 package, like the small servo motors. And the good part is I have a lot of these screws. Check this out. Is that Samarth category in the back? Yes. Say hi to Samarth. Okay, so if you need any help with robot operating system to ROS 2 or anything related robotics, you can ask Samarth. He's
Open to freelancing.
he started working on that and open to freelancing. Open to freelancing for all type of projects like IoT, little bit of mechatronics, little bit of robot operating system. We just getting started with that, but give me some time and we will be the best in the business. We are still learning, bro. This my first time assembling a robotic arm, and it's going to be fun watching this after like so many years when I'll build something on my own, like own robotic arm company or something like that. So it feels good that it's on camera, all the struggles, and all that mess. I don't even have the correct screwdriver here. I'm just using the random one, the flat one. By the way, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit like and subscribe. I think this is it. समय बघ की केवढं छोटा आहे बघ की ते स्क्रू फक्त इथं टच पण होत नाही तेवढंच ग्लू लावायला लागणार आहे फायनल असेंबली सगळं असेंबल झालं की ग्लू लावायला लागणार आहे Okay, now it's taking a shape. Almost there. Looking good. Check this out. खाली कोणतं लावायचं आहे खाली स्टार और द राउंड वन I'm so glad that I have all these screws because they don't provide you a lot of screws like the small ones, so I'm pulling out of my inventory. Okay. I have a lot of these from I mean I have been saving these screws for this day. Screws were promised to me 3000 years ago. If you know about this meme. Guys, are you guys into memes? I am into meme and I don't want to limit my content to like technology only. Like not even technology, whatever I'm doing like hobby stuff. I want to go beyond this if you talk about content. I want to do live streams from like different type of live streams from building, assembling, to coding, to going out with my builds. Like imagine if I build something robot like some stuff. Then we can use this DIY or some project to have fun like pranks and all. Like we can build a bot and we can do pranks. I got a very good vision with this stuff, like with content, not really like robotics. I'm not so good engineer, but content wise, I know I can do a lot better. It's just I never been this much consistent, and recently I started posting on Instagram. I started posting on YouTube, and the results are crazy. Like I'm in touch with some people I never imagined. I'm doing collabs with some like some organization I used to look up to. I need to get a screwdriver kit. Wait, I already have screwdriver kit. I forgot about this one. But this is very frustrating because this is a very low quality screwdriver kit. Don't buy this. The studs will wipe out in like 1 or 2 uses. Mm-hmm. Hmm. We are getting there. ऐसा मैं झोपणार असलो झोप जाय करतो उरलेलं मी.
काय करणार आहे? काय करायचं अजून सांग.
काय नाही झालं. हे जोडलं ते जोडलं ते जोडलं. पुढचं थोडं जोडायचं बस.
मग करून घेऊ आता.
Living the 3D prints. Okay, the whole project is we are going to build a PVC pipe based chassis of a 6-wheeled rover. It is going to be a rocker bogie mechanism. Maybe we'll add suspension. Not sure the mechanical guys will handle that. But yeah, a PVC based chassis with rocker bogie mechanism. We are going to use BTS 7960 motor drivers, six Johnson motors, like Pro Orange Johnson motors, 300 RPM, 12 volt motors, and ESP32 to control all these. And the ESP32 will have a toggle switch. It will switch the modes. Like as I said, there are going to be 3 different controls: IoT control, mm, gesture control, remote control. So there is going to be a toggle switch, and all you have to do is just switch the modes. That's it. And there are going to be some sensors to monitor the environment. I think it's a mini project. Mini project or final year project. Maybe final year project. It costs around 15K, including all these, the base part, wheels, and all, everything from batteries to everything. Not really 15, around 10 to 15K. ऐसा मैं ह्याच्यासाठी छोटा स्क्रूड्रायव्हर आहे का बघ जरा.
कशासाठी?
स्क्रूड्रायव्हर पाहिजे आपल्याला.
ते चांगलं नाही.
नाही, एक पण चांगला नाही. Lots of components, yes. And I have to deliver all these within a week while organizing an event in my college, attending some lectures, and making some videos which I promised to some brands. So too much work this week. Last week I did nothing. All I did was, what do I need to build the arm for fun, by the way? I saw your builds on LinkedIn, Tanishk bhaiya. It was music reactive light, and it was something, yeah, some it was something similar IoT related. You made some PCBs. I would like to know more about that. You used 80 tiny 85, or which microcontroller you used in that music reactive lights? Was that music reactive light or some like Wi-Fi controlled lights?
बसला.
थोडंसं चुकलंय पण बसले. हे परत जोडायला पाहिजे. ESP01. Okay. And was that music reactive or Wi-Fi? It was a PWM based LED dimmer. Music reactive was just add-on software feature. And was that a freelance project, or you are into product designing, right? Or product building? हे जरा काढाय पाहिजे. तिकडे जा एक. ती स्टड्स गेले तरी जाऊ देत सोड. स्क्रूज आहेत आपल्याकडे. ओके, दिस इज फॉर जेस्चर कंट्रोल. ESP32. This is going to be like this and this and this, and this is for gripper. नाही नाही, तो असू दे. हे फक्त असं जोडायचं.
एकच आहे काय ते?
नाही नाही, हे चुकले रे जरा. असं कळलं काय?
त्यावर विचारतो.
कुठं आहे स्क्रू? कुठं आहे? इकडं आहे.
हे होतं.
आपल्याकडे आहेत असले. जोडणार जोड. हा. After this, we are going to use MG90 here, like this, I guess. By the way, I'm going to give access of my IoT car to one of you, and we will have fun. असलं फिट केलंस एकदम? नको. ओकेच. हार्ड बसवलीस की रे. हे कसं जोडायचं? हां, ते काय आहे काय जोडायला? ह्यातले स्क्रू जोडूया. हे कारण ऑप्शन नाही. बसते.
ते बसवलं आहे बघ.
ते पुढं ना. असला अजून एक स्क्रू आहे काय? ओके. more screws. इतना. Guys, am I the first streamer to do all these? Like, now it was a personal project. I have too many LED strips at home. Now I have become
हेच काय ते? कुठले स्क्रू येते?
Wi-Fi based. Was way cheaper than I thought. Okay. Is it open source? Is there any like instructable or GitHub repo for this? I have LEDs right here in front of me above this Doraemon poster, and I'm thinking of making them music reactive. I have this ring light. How about modifying this ring light? TQ Labs. What is TQ Labs? I have a ring light and it has RGB effects around 21. Okay, TQ Labs. Okay, I'm noting it. Thanks. Need more screws. हा बसते काय
ट्राय कर.
रे वय की रे मगापासून का वापराय नाही मी ती छोटी घेऊन बसलोय. Super easy to modify RGB strips. Okay, I have not RGB, but yeah, I can get RGB strips, and I have left around maximum 1 year in this room. So yeah, it's worth it if I modify that. Bro, I want to do all content and this like learning robotics, building projects, and making content out of that. I want to do all these three things for at least 6 months, like full only. I'm learning, building, then making content, and I want to see where I can go with all this. And if nothing works out, at least I learned some skills for 6 months, like robotics. It can be anything, robotics, designing. So I think I'll get that time after college. I have another robotic arm which is a metal. Personal brand. Yes, bro. I'm telling you, the way I have seen the brand value growing in recent in recent 6 months. I started like I've been making content for since 2018, and recently, when I got more consistent on Instagram in September 2025. From that time to today, I have gained a lot of brand value, like the whole USP, and I might need your help. That I don't know how, but I have created my image. Hello, as an engineering student who does all this for hobby and does hackathons and all, and as a like fun person. I got to know this from some brand agencies. I was happy as hell when I heard this. समय जरा हे असं पुश करीत. Hey, I just 3 stars. Abhi Jadov, hello Abhi, how are you? We have Samarth beside me. हे प्रेस कर.
असा
हां जरासं प्रेस कर आणि मी हे स्क्रू आवडतो हा. झालं आय थिंक. नाही अजून व्हायला खरं. एवढंच जाते. 3 star star star. What do you mean by 3 star? What are you doing? So today we are building, assembling a robotic arm. Not really building. And yeah, that's it. What's next? या पुढं काय? Next step. So we are checking instructable, and then we are building all this. Okay, let's see. It's a session. Abhi we are jamming. This is how engineers jam. Your आज हो जाएगा क्या? हाँ. You filmmakers won't understand this. Abhi you are filmmaker, right? Like, what's your profession exactly? Filmmaker or okay, I did the wrong assembly here. Like, when you get a job, what will I tell my other friends? I am eagle. I am seagull. Okay, Samarth. Something is wrong here, I feel. It. Why can't I move this? You will need inverse kinematics to run this smoothly. ChatGPT or Gemini can add it to. Actually, I have one code which has inverse kinematics in it, and I tested it with my DIY like sunboard made robotic arm, and it worked pretty well. So I'm thinking of adding that in this one. I'll share it to you. समय ह्याच्यासोबतचं ब्लॅक कलरचं हे कुठं आहे?
ते गोल
हां
स्टार काय
स्टार नाही.
हे वाला
हां नाही हे पण नाही. Not this. हे पण नाही. MG90 सोबतचं
काय नाही ते नव्हतं माझ्याकडे.
असलंच खरं. MG90
हे बघ
this is for MG995. कुठे गेली रे? हेच आहे पण त्यात बसत का नाही मग? दुसरी MG90 कुठं आहे? हे बघ इथं बसते. इथं बसायला पाहिजे. की नाही बसत जरा काढ
गिअर हे झालं काय बघते मोटरचं गिअर हे झालं वाटतं गिअर खराब झालंय
okay as Tanishk Bhaiya said we are going to remove this motor and replace it with another बरं ह्याचं काय सीन इथल्या मोटरचं आपल्याकडं SG90 आहेत थँक्यू number one most impactful of this generation अरे फिरत ना रे
गोळे आहेत
हे होत नाही
काय होत नाही
फिरना झाले प्रिंट एवढी पण चांगली नाही आहे you guys can sleep cause I will be doing this whole night tonight cause I have to finish this अरे काढायचं कसं हॅलो हॅलो सहर्ष भाई the OG gang is here Ranjit bhai was here Tanishk bhaiya was here and Sarsh bhai is here let me check stats for a minute analytics damn Okay, we're doing good tonight.
हे याचं ग्रिपर दुसरा आहे
Gripper.
दुसरा आहे
Okay, so uh, we are doing pretty well, but again, the gripper is bit faulty. We figured it out. Have you tried PCB designing? Yes. Okay, so the PCB designing, I am good at easy EDA. I have designed some PCBs, and I was going to send them for printing, but due to some reason I couldn't. But yeah, PCB design in easy EDA, I'm good. So recently, like not recently, some months ago, I asked you guys which software should I use. Then I figured out that KiCad is better, like industry level or something like that. So I started learning KiCad. This is also KiCad is also simple, but still not that much, like not as easy as EasyEDA. So yeah, I do PCB designing in KiCad, but I haven't designed anything like properly, which I can send to uh, manufacture. Hmm? होते नाही ते हे होणार आहे बघ की
नाही हे वरती घालायचं आहे
So we are doing some jugaad here. And Proteus. I know Proteus little bit. Not little bit. Yeah, I know Proteus. As we have Proteus in our syllabus for simulation and all. We had exam, practical exam on Proteus in last semester. Last semester, right?
yes
Altium paid was industry standard. Now people are shifting towards KiCad after. Yeah, so some months ago I started learning KiCad. Okay, again, I'm not consistent, and the reason is continuous exams. I'm so pissed off due to like schedule of college. Our college autonomous, so they do whatever they want. They don't care. Like we gave test for 10 marks test, unit test, 3 times. Like first time when we gave that test, our teacher had no time to check our exam papers, so they were like, okay, we'll do this again but in online form. Okay, let's do this. Then we gave the same test again in online mode, and someone went and like, the questions are not correct and all. So our teacher was like, okay, again. College can hear. Good for simulation designing stuff. Yes, Proteus good. Too much to share. Actually, nowadays I try to show all the emotions from the student side. Like we try to say all these things to, like we try to let them know what is going wrong in college. Like we have 4 months, a semester, a 4 month semester, and in those 4 months we give 4 exams, practical exams. We do all the events and all hackathons, all that stuff. So it's very hectic. I don't even visit my home. Like my parents are just 50 kilometers away from here, but still I visit my home once in a month, maximum twice a month. I mean, I can, but I have to sacrifice all this like hobby stuff. And the syllabus is very outdated. This is my friend Samarth, and he has given a same test twice. I had chance to give it twice, but I was like, nah. I know, I know the results already. They might call our parents. There are some teachers, they are really supportive. Like they know what I do. They watch all my videos and stories. They follow me everywhere. Samarthi Suyash is hey Samarthi Suyash is gay. No, Abhi. Abhi, count your days.
ते कळाकराचे आहेत काय अजून असले बोल
हम्म?
असले कितीच अजून
आहेत की अजून?
आहेत ना
Hmm. My final year was in COVID. Enjoyed full. Your final year was in COVID. So you did college for 3 years. My sister's 2 years went in COVID, like lockdown. And she tells me that college is not that hectic. Bro, you spent 2 years at home. You have no rights to tell me what to do. I have attended more lectures in till second year than she did in whole 4 years. सम्या इकडचा जरा लूज बसतोय. कितीतरी हे केलंस की नाही. दिस वन इज लिटल बिट लूज. हे बघ. We have 6 months internship compulsory in final year. So I'm thinking of doing internship in IoT. Maybe IoT or automation. We have done 1 month training and internship in PLC automation. So I might continue with that or I might try something in IoT. हे बसत नाही रे. स्ट्रीम कवा करूया दुसऱ्या चॅनेलवर. ट्यूजडे we can do on Tuesday. Okay, I have another channel where I play games sometimes. Abhi we can do as you have internet, you have computer. अभ्याने PC भारी करून घेतला सम्या. Same internship compulsory. WFH means what is WFH? I'm new to this. Okay, work from home. Okay, WFH. Computer. What the hell? This is also valid. I have another chance. Like option. I have another option. My senior is registering a company. They have a startup in IoT, and they are working on the process like registration process of their firm. They are going full legal. They are meeting some lawyers and all to register their startup. So I can do internship there, or I can just take certificates from them. कुठला काय पाहिजे तुला हे. They are building something like I gave them idea that IoT needs this and that, so they are working on something like Blink for their final year project. and they are turning that into like full proper company and startup. They are going to build business out of that. Like minute some. Okay, this servo is working. But I don't know if it's supposed to be like this. Okay, let's try adding rubber band. याला रबर असतो माहिती आहे ना? कशाला? मागे एक रबर असतो याला. हे बघ असं. अभी तुझं उद्या कॉलेज नाही आहे? अभी डोंट यू हॅव एनी जॉब? Is this the correct way to use this? ते जरा रबरचं बघ. Sorry, L. आण बघू दे. Gripper. Okay, so I think we are done with this. Now the issue is with gripper, and I want you guys to help me out with that. We assembled the gripper, but still Tuesdayला मूवीला येणार कोई मिल गया इंग्लिशमध्ये लागलाय. We are going to watch Project Hail Mary on Tuesday. Hello? Hello, hello? Okay, audio is good. Have you watched Project Hail Mary? त्योच okay. Okay. 9:45. We are going at
लार्ज
hmm?
मोठेवाले स्क्रू आहेत.
I think केवढे मोठे. फायनल आहे तो. I think.
अजून एक आहे.
Nah, that was the final screw. त्योच बघायला चाललोय. झालं ग्रिपरचा? Okay, so the gripper is ready. Samarth has assembled that. 3D प्रिंटर घेतलास नाही? ॲमेझॉनवर विकत घेतले. Samarth is working on this build and I'm just here having fun. अभी उद्या कॉलेज नाही वेरी तुमचे? Let's watch something, some videos. उद्या पेपर आहे. अभ्यास कर रे, अभ्यास कर मग. Go and study. Otherwise I will cut your Wi-Fi. एक्झाम चालू झाल्या. ओके.
To begin with, I designed the robot arm using
Okay, finally got the tutorial
SolidWorks 3D modeling software.
how to
The arm has
mechatronics.
5 degrees of freedom. SG90 micro servos.
Finally got
You
the
can
tutorial.
find and download this 3D to banggood.com.
Let's see if
Check
they are
whether
showing
the
the
robot-
assembly part.
I attached the first
Yes, they
servo
have shown
motor
the
using
assembly.
the screws included in its package. Then the round horn onto the next part.
Okay.
And then they are secured to each other using the bolt on the output shaft.
Okay, I'm watching.
We can
अरे
notice
श्री
here
मागं-
that at the shoulder axis, it is good
Shri
idea to
मागं
include
पडलेली
some
माझ्या.
kind of
Who is
spring,
Shri, bro?
or in my case, I used a rubber band to
Who
give
is
some
Shri?
feel to the servo.
Okay,
Because this
what I have
servo
seen here is I have to
carries the whole.
take this rubber, insert again in this hole, and then good luck. Got to go. By the way, how to say this in Marathi? Might as well. One sentence. Okay. Good luck. Okay. Bro, how to say good luck in Marathi? गुड लकला मराठीत काय म्हणतो आपण? Good luck is why voice can cause copyright strike. Yes, you're right. I don't think this will get a copyright strike, but if I play this for a long time, it will get a copyright strike. Good luck is like आशा करतो की तुम्ही जिंकून याल. This is like I hope you win. No, let's see good luck in Marathi. Being a Marathi, I should be ashamed of this. Shubhecha. Oh, arey Shubhecha. Okay, so Shubhecha is just one word, but Shubhecha is not exactly good luck. That's why I'm confused. Jinku kiwa maru. Okay, so Shubhecha is used in different contexts, like Hardik Shubhecha. So Hardik Shubhecha is like congratulations. Then वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. Then the शुभेच्छा used there is happy birthday. वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा is happy birthday, and good luck is शुभेच्छा. And so basically शुभेच्छा is used in every good thing, like if you are congratulating someone, if you are wishing happy birthday to someone, or it can be anything. So like where we use happy anniversary, happy birthday, or congratulations, the shubhecha word is included here. It can be anything. So yeah, shubhecha is same. Yeah, good luck. But the good and luck, it's not exact in Marathi, I guess. Like luck, if we translate the only luck word, then it's nasib. Luck is like nasib. got to go, bye, or what to say before leaving. Okay, so if I translate your exact words, good luck. शुभेच्छा, जायला हवं. बायला बायला मराठीमध्ये काय म्हणतोय आपण? निरोप घेतो. हां, बाईज निरोप असू द्या और निरोप घेतो. वेट, I know, but I want to confirm this. Okay, so bye is alvida in Hindi and bye bye in Marathi. Wait, alvida in Hindi, that's what I know, but nirop is the word. Bye in Marathi. Bye. Okay, so there is no word for exact bye in Marathi. Good luck is an expression. Okay, what about so Tanishk bhai, if you are leaving my stream, you can say shubhecha. Yeah, you can only say shubhecha, or you can say पुढील वाटचालीस किंवा पुढील कार्यास शुभेच्छा, which is for your work. Like it's like I'm wishing good for your work, like upcoming work. And got to go is like चला निघतो or मला जायचं आहे. It means I have to go. मला जायचं आहे किंवा गेलं पाहिजे. हां, गेलं पाहिजे. And bye, there is no exact word for bye, but येतो or निरोप असू द्या. निरोप is the word. That's what I feel. My parents are teachers, so I'm locked in with that. Google Translate is shit for Marathi. For real, bro. Marathi is a very vast language. There are some words, but in English we have some words for so many words are compressed in one word. Batman kitchen. He will never take it from Mike. I don't know. I have Batman. I had Pikachu also, but my roommate stole that. Actually, I stole that from him. It was given by his friend. I stole that, and he saw that here, so he took it back. मला जायचं आहे. Yeah, not Z, J. मला जायचं आहे. Wait, I'll write in the chat. सर्व. Wait. मला जायचं आहे. JAYACH. I think my summer arc starts. All I remember is 500 days of summer when I hear summer. I think there are no servos. सर्वोले एक पण चांगली सर्व आहे रे बघा. We are running out of servo motors. Okay, so you're talking about 500 days of summer. मला जायचं आहे. Okay, it's confirmed that we don't have much servo motors. I have some servos, but I'm not sure if they are in a right condition or not. SG90 motors from Tower Pro are not so good. I have a lot of bad experiences with SG90. Got it. Marathi session was fun. Bye bye. We'll teach you some more things in upcoming session. It sounds fun. शुभरात्री. Okay, you can say शुभरात्री. मला जायचे आहे. Okay, and शुभरात्री. शुभरात्री is Shubharatri is in same in Hindi, I guess, which means good night. So yeah, Shubharatri, you can say. काय करतो हे सगळं संपवतो आज नंतर फक्त ग्लू होत्या ॲटलिस्ट कोड कॅलिब्रेट करून ठेवतो सेम इन हिंदी यस बाय बाय शुभरात्री काय कुठला ओके ह्याचा कोड चालू करतो मी आता चालू म्हणजे काय करतो आधी सगळ्या मोटर 0 180 फिरवून बघतो टेस्ट करून चालू आहेत काय मग एक 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 चालू करतो
ह्याच्यापेक्षा छोटे नाहीत हेच आहेत सगळे
हे आहे
अजून काय काय बघ
आहे की तसले आहेत आपल्याकडं सेमच आहे ना तू का छोटा आहे हे आहे बसते दाखव जरा काय करायलीस हा म्हणजे तेच करायला पाहिजे थांबच समोर हे करणं आहे की नाही इन्क्लुडेड Okay, I think I should end this live today. This is enough for started. It's about to be 3 hours since I started. Let me check the stats. 220 views into 3 minutes. 640 minutes, I guess. Which means 10 hours. Damn. I just dropped some screws. Okay, so I'll try to finish this robotic arm tonight. Tomorrow I have to attend lectures. First, I'll have to clean all this mess. It wasn't that hard, but there should be some like user manual or something like that with this. Okay, so that is it for today. We'll get back to this robotic arm. I'll do coding and stuff tonight, and I will let you know what happens. Yes, I'm bye bye girl. So that is it for today. Bye bye. Listen us. Parat bye bye girl.